Good evening. The markets ended with heavy gains as bulls cheered the union budget. The upswing was accompanied by huge participation as the total turnover crossed the 1 lakh crore barrier. Markets got a boost after the finance minister laid down a roadmap for the fiscal deficit, stating that they have estimated the fiscal deficit for financial year 2011 at 5.5%, for financial year 2012 at 4.8%, and for financial year 2013 at 4.1%. Another booster was the tax slabs. Income tax slabs were broadened: 10% on income above rupees 1.6 lakh to 5 lakh, 20% on income above rupees 5 lakhs to rupees 8 lakhs, and 30% on above rupees 8 lakhs. In addition, the auto stocks were in demand after Finance Minister said that the excise duty on vehicles will rise to 10% from 8%. Shares of Mozabea shot up by over 7% after the government said that it will give tax breaks on products needed to set up solar power plants. Shares of ITC have plunged after the finance minister in its budget announced that excise tax would be increased on some categories of cigarettes and cigars. Further reports stated that the monsoons in India, which is the main source of irrigation, will have a better start this year. Farmers would be able to get a good crop of sugarcane, rice and oilseeds. Finally, the BSE Sensex surged 185 points to end at 16,439 and it hit an intraday high of 16,669 and an intraday low of 16,250. While the NSE Nifty surged 66 points to end at 4,926. Among the 30 components of the Sensex, 25 ended in the positive terrain and 5 were in the red. Tata Motors, Hero Honda, Hindalco, Maruti and M&M were among the top gainers. On the other hand, the major losers were ITC, Tata Power, TCS and Infosys. Outside the frontline indices, the big gainers in the broader market were IFCI, Mozabea, Shriram Transport, Ashok Leyland and REC. On the other hand, the losers included Indiabulls Real Estate, Renuka Sugars, Jet Airways and Jain Irrigation. That's it for the day. Thank you and have a nice day.